Ladies and gentlemen, Courtney Clenney and her parents were in court recently over the laptop that they had withheld that belonged to Christian Obamseli. And they were trying to get into the laptop and, do things to protect their daughter. Well, a hearing held in laptop case related to Miami OnlyFans model. And it was Courtney Clenney, her parents, Kim and Deborah Clenney, all charged earlier this year for, the unauthorized access to Christian Obamseli's laptop. So this past Tuesday, they held a hearing in Miami, and her parents and Courtney Clenney were all in court for illegally accessing her boyfriend's laptop after she allegedly stabbed him to death. So Courtney Clenney and her parents were charged earlier this year, and as the hearing got underway, Clenney appeared in court in her orange jumpsuit while her parents sat in the courtroom. The authorities said the parents illegally accessed a laptop that they claim belonged to Courtney Clenney's boyfriend, Christian Obamseli, after the 27-year-old was deceased at that point. So, in the couple's Edgewater condo in April of 2022, and they were supposed to turn that laptop over. They were not supposed to keep it like they tried to. Defense attorneys for the parents said the computer was a shared device between Clenney and Obamseli, and that the parents were authorized to access it. Courtney Clenney, who went by the name Courtney Taylor on social media, including on OnlyFans, had more than 2 million Instagram followers at the time of Obamseli's demise. So, Miami-Dade prosecutors said the couple had an extremely volatile relationship and that Obamseli was the victim of domestic violence, while Courtney Clenney's attorney said she was the victim of abuse in the relationship, and that, her what she did was just defend herself against him. So she's been behind bars and since charged with second-degree murder of Christian Obamseli. But this case that they're involved in right now is over the laptop. And, her parents are no longer in jail. They have since gotten out of jail. But of course, Courtney is still in jail. But no, they should throw the book at these people. They knew what the hell they were doing by withholding that laptop, you know? And it's no telling what they probably tried to erase from it. And if he had recordings of her, which I heard now, I don't know whether it's confirmed or not, but I heard he did have videos of her on there acting out against him. So, look, her case should be coming up this year, and I'm definitely going to follow the case. But this chick, just looking at the way she conducted herself and the way she was always screaming and yelling at this dude, said she would use the N word and cuss him out all the time. And she was literally violent. I mean, swinging on him and everything. She should stay in there for the rest of her life. This woman is a danger to the public, and with her behavior, no, she should not be out. I don't feel sorry for Courtney Clenney, and I don't feel sorry for her parents either. They should have known better than to try to withhold that kind of evidence in the case. Anything like electronics, a cell phone, a computer, a laptop is going to be pertinent to the case. I don't know what the hell they were thinking, but it just goes to show you, y'all, You know, at the end of the day, Christian Obumseli was a fool for being involved with Courtney Clenney and staying when he really should have gotten out of the relationship. They said the relationship was on again, off again, and they just had terrible fights. And we saw examples of it on the elevator. And I think the last one was released was in their apartment, and it looked like somebody was in there with them when they were fighting. And yeah, I mean, she was just horrible to him, just talking. But hey, that's what he wanted, right? He didn't want that. He was all over social media just dragging on black women. Well, I guess he had the woman he really wanted. She ended everything for him, didn't she? And now she is claiming self-defense, and she tossed a knife across the room that went into his chest. Now, I don't hardly believe that. I don't hardly like she's a skilled knife thrower all of a sudden. No, I don't believe that. But right now, this is a hearing now, and it just started a few days ago. And Courtney was charged with the same things her parents were charged with, because they said she knew her parents had that laptop at their house. She knew the entire time she was behind bars. She knew about that laptop and she knew exactly where it was. That's why she got charged with everything her parents were charged with. So those are additional charges on top of the second-degree murder charge that she's dealing with. So we shall see. I'm going to follow this and see what the verdict is going to be on this one, with her parents being involved. Um, it, being that it was a laptop case, it may not be that long of a wait to hear about this verdict. It may come sooner than you think. But y'all, please tell me what you think about this video. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.